What's up everybody and welcome to another episode of Gear Check, and today we're going to be doing the second part of the live streaming series. And roll the intro. And we're back. So, in the first part, we were talking about how to do a live stream with a single camera, but today we're going to be doing the second part, and that is how to do a live stream with multiple cameras. Now, with that being said, if you're going to be doing a live stream with multiple cameras, ranging from 1 to 4 or 1 to 8, then you're going to want to get one of these. Now, this, beginning from the smallest one, is the ATEM Mini, the ATEM Mini Pro ISO, and the perfect middle ground, the ATEM Mini Pro. Now, all of these have the same thing in common. They're all meant to go live, and they all have 4 inputs. But the key differences between each of these, and that's what I'm going to go into right now, starting with the ATEM Mini. Okay, so starting off with the ATEM Mini, it features 4 HDMI inputs and has an intuitive and easy design, and makes it possible for everyone to live stream multi-camera productions via software such as YouTube, Facebook Live, Zoom, Twitch, or Skype. All you have to do is simply connect your cameras, computers, or even game consoles for live switching. Now, you also get in a built-in DVE, which is direct video editing for picture-in-picture effects, broadcast quality transition, upstream keys for removing blue and green screen backgrounds, as well as a downstream key for superimposing your own custom graphics. You also get audio inputs, a mixer, 20 still media pools for titles, and of course, free ATEM software control. Now, in order to stream ATEM Mini, you use this as a USB output, so it comes in as a webcam that you connect to the ATEM software, be it OBS or ATEM Mini software control. Now, in order to stream through the ATEM Mini, it comes out as a USB output and works like a webcam, so you can connect to any video software such as OBS or ATEM software control. There's also a video out for HDMI projectors or displays. Now, with that being said, let's move into ATEM Mini Pro. This model includes all the features found in the ATEM Mini, plus direct recording to USB flash disk in H.264, direct streaming via Ethernet to YouTube Live, Facebook Live, and other networks, and multi-view with 4 cameras, media preview and program, plus a state-of-the-art recording, streaming, and audio. And finally, we have the ATEM Mini Pro ISO. Now, the ATEM Mini Pro ISO comes with all the features of the Mini and the Mini Pro, except you can record up to 5 video streams with separate audio, 1 from each camera, as well as a live stream podcast. It also allows you to save the live stream feed as a DaVinci Resolve project with a single click. So instead of the single combined file that is saved from the Pro, the project file saved by the ISO has all your cuts, transitions, green screens, etc. You also have the broadcast saved separately, so you can re-edit your cuts easily, change your transitions, or insert new green screen backgrounds in post. The ATEM Mini Pro ISO. Okay, so now that you guys have seen that ATEM Mini, ATEM Mini Pro, and ATEM Mini Pro ISO, we move on to the big boys. Now, on right, I have, of course, the ATEM Mini Extreme, and on my left, I have the Extreme Mini ISO. Now, the key difference between these and the smaller ones is that these ones are, of course, much larger. These ones, of course, give you more versatility and control over your live stream, and of course, these guys have up to 8 inputs. Now, let's look at a few of the features that they all have in common. They both have 2 stereo audio inputs for connecting microphones or direct sound through an XLR cable from a sound mixer. They both automatically standardize, convert, and resynchronize all HDMI inputs. They both come with free ATEM software control for both Mac and Windows, and they also have internal media storage for 20 RGB graphics for titles, opening plates, and logos. They both come with 4 upstream ATEM advanced chroma keys for green or blue screen work, as well as 2 independent digital video editing super source with 4 extra DVEs. They also have 16-way multi-view for monitoring all camera recording and streaming statuses. Okay, so with that being said, you've seen the differences between the ATEM Mini, Mini Pro, and the Mini Pro ISO, as well as the Mini Extreme and the Mini Extreme ISO. And the thing is, you need to decide which one is best for you. I mean, if you're doing simple live streams at home and all you need is something to get you on the internet, doing your live streams, having fun and interacting with the audience, of course, go for the Mini. It's the cheapest, it's the best, and it gives you the best quality out of all its competitors. But if you're going for, high-end productions, and that's like, for multi-camera sequences, for TV stations, for, big companies that do high-end production work, then of course, always go for the Mini Extreme ISO. That's because it gives you the best versatility, the best adaptability, and of course, the best compatibility with anything and everything you might throw at it. This has been Gear Check. I'll see you soon.